Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Ladyvee and I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video is going to be my mom does my voiceover. So I just wanted to do the intro to properly introduce the video and to show off my brand new nails. I just did them and I'm so obsessed because this is my first time doing person nails, so I'm obsessed. And the color, I already did a video because my sister and I did person nails for the first time, so I already did a video. They are both from Nail to Go, and I'm just going to give them a little sneak peek. This is our baby of the house, my little sister, our last born.
Hey guys!
See how beautiful she looks. So
yeah,
our nails are popping.
Snatched. Period.
Period.
That's my favorite line.
I'm going to leave my YouTube channel down below.
Please subscribe. Thank you.
So yeah, let's get into this video. I can't wait to see my mom's take on my mom does my voiceover video. So let's get into this video.
Hi guys, welcome to Life's channel. Okay, she's wiping on her face. Actually, I've never done this. Let me try what I can do it perfect. My daughter is wiping her face, removing all the impurities on her face. Right now, she's using a lip gloss. That is face cleanser. I don't know. Maybe it's face cleanser. Let me guess. That one is a primer. Yeah, I remember that is a primer. She's putting it right on the skin to blend. That one is called what? I don't know what she's rubbing on her face. I'm not laughing. I don't know what she's rubbing on her face. That is a foundation. She wants to mix up the colors to suit her look. That is her skin tone. She's putting the blush. I don't know. Is it brush? She's blending it on her face to have a perfect look. That is a beauty blender. Yes, that is a beauty blender. I trust my daughter. She's going to do it perfectly well for me so that viewers will appreciate her. Yeah, that is my girl. She's taking it right in. Yeah, right in downwards. Okay, what else? Lip gloss. Is that what? You're not putting that thing. That thing under the eyelids. No, don't laugh. I don't know now. You know, I'm not a makeup person. Okay, that is a contour. That thing they put under now. Concealer. She's putting a concealer under the eyelids. Even though you have a buff and coloration, once you put that concealer, it will have a full coverage, covering all the epidemic pigmentations on the skin. Even sunburn to cover all. I think I've experienced that when I had sunburn. When I put the concealer, it covers everything to have a sweet, even look. Yeah, she's blending it with a beauty blender. That is my girl. She's doing it well. Yeah, that is it. She's okay. But I don't know how to blend it like that. Okay, I will learn from her from today because I'm not a makeup person. She's doing it. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, she's doing it. It's perfect. One side left, but the way she makes it is awesome because I don't know how to do it. 2 colors. Wow, perfect with that on her neck, down the neck to the face, to the fore. In fact, perfect look. I love this. That is my girlfriend. Yeah, she's doing it. That is what. No, you will use that banana first now. You spray first. That is, she's spraying it again. Yeah, to hold it so that you will not sweat all day look. Yeah, all day look to set the concealer. Yes. Yeah, that is the banana powder. I don't know the make. That is the setting powder. Yeah, I can feel it. It's going on. Yeah. Why you blow your lips? Yeah, she's doing it. It's perfect to have a glowing look. That is what she's achieving at. Yeah, that is my girl. I can feel it again going to her forehead. That is contour. That is the only thing I cannot do. I've been trying to get that lighter look. I couldn't, girls. Guys, no, it's not girl because many people are looking. Yeah, guys, she's getting it again. Yes, she's blending it. Yeah, that is the eyeshadow. That is her finishing. Oh no, that is not eyeshadow. Sorry, that is That black look is what she wants to contour to make a carving look. She wants to carve her face to have that pretty look. Any guy that sees my daughter, will you appreciate her? That is the secret of her contour. She will use one brownish thing to take it round. You spray again 3 times. That one, I don't understand. 3 times now. Waiting, like if you want to kill me. She's blending again the third face. That is the third face now. She's blending it down, blending it down. That is my girl. Yeah, it's going around. I can feel her look. That one is what now? Okay, let me guess. Okay, she's doing the eyebrow. I can't get life fast eyebrow. What is magic finger? I don't know. She's doing the eyebrow. I can feel it. That is my girlie. Yeah. When I call her girlie, she'll be so excited. So let me say girlie in this video to appreciate her. That is my pet name for her. Yeah, she's doing the eyebrow. How would I understand it? Okay, she's doing eyebrow. Can you understand that? If you want to learn more, go to her channel. That is the back the one she has done in the past, Abby. So you get the eyebrow look. Because me, I can look at it 100 times. I don't know how to do it, but you guys can learn it more. Because me, I'm old, so I don't know how to do it. That poto is what? Concealer again for the eye, under the eyebrows, to get a perfect shape. That is the secret. You guys look well. That is the way we get to our secrets. The secret of life is that eyebrows. We'll learn more of it. Yeah, to get a perfect look. Yeah, to shaping a look. I can feel it. Yeah. She's getting it on. Yeah, that is the real life. I got it. You can see the sharp look. The secret of life is her eyebrows and that contour to get that smallest look. That is that the nose on the, you can see it. That one is what? Poto again. I don't know, the liquid eyeshadow. I don't know that one. Liquid eyeshadow. Poto. Is it not peppery? That's my girl. I don't know how she will finish it up with this poto look. Makeup artist will kill someone. Poto won't enter the eyes. Okay, she's using poto eyeshadow. I don't know the name of the eyeshadow. I know it's poto liquid type. She's getting it on. That is sky blue. Yeah. She's opening the one I know. That is a palette. Yeah. She's taking the shade of hash color, gray. Yeah, to get another perfect look. Look at her secret, guys. You get her secret. That is Hudabeauty. I love it, but I don't know how to use it. Actually, when she went to Dubai, she bought it for me, but I don't know how to use it. It's the usage that matters. It's not the expensive eyeshadow. She actually bought it for me. Mother's gift from Dubai. You will get a perfect look. You guys watch carefully. You will see her secret. Get to her secrets. That is another shade of Hudabeauty. That is my girl. This my daughter is crazy with makeup, right? That's what. You guys, I don't know that one. That was what? Eyeshadow again. I don't know what she's blending, but just watch carefully. Another shade of eyeshadow. That is yellow. Is it gold color? I'm not a color fan. Is it gold color? Yeah, I can feel it. It's gold. Yeah, she's taking a crazy shade. Maybe it's a crazy eyeshadow look she wants to get. Achieve out. I don't know. Yeah, she's getting. Is that V shape of the eyeshadow? I don't know how to achieve. Okay, you guys should watch carefully. You'll get it. She's getting there to get that final look, guys. That is what. Hey, that is shining blue. You guys will get colors. I don't know the colors. I'm not a color person. She's getting to achieve a special shade. This girl is crazy. She's so innovative. I don't know. I'm not surprised because 24 hours she's on a YouTube channel learning more things. Yeah, what color is that? She has used 5 colors now. My daughter go kill me. Okay, getting where again? You guys, you will not laugh at me. I'm just enjoying artist work. How will I say it? Hey, that one shining one. What color is that? That is mascara. I know that one perfectly well. That is mascara because I'm a lover of mascara. She will apply the mascara before she will use artificial lashes. Eyelash. Sorry, she said it's eyelash. Sorry, please. Yeah, that is the secret of her crazy look. She has a magic finger to place it well. Beautification, you can feel it. Yeah, perfect. You can see the look has changed. That one is the water liner. Yes, water eyeliner. That is the only part I don't like, but she likes it. Yeah, guys, that is called water eyeliner. Yeah. Girls, modern girls, they like it, but I don't like it, but it's fine anyway. Yeah, what is it? Another color again. Okay, another color of the inner lining. To get that sharp look. When you use it, you know, guys will look crazy about you. Yeah, it's going well. I love this. That one is contour. Yeah, that is another secret of life. I can feel her. That is a spray. That's the 5th time she's spraying it. Guys, don't forget. Yeah, that is the blushing. How did they put that shine? I don't know the shine, but that one, she's doing the side contouring. Yeah, I can feel it. The glowing makes your face look glowing to get that perfect look, guys. She's doing the nose contour to make your nose very slim. Even though you have a big nose, it will make it slim if you can get it. That is a tea drop she has finished. That is Hudabeauty lipstick. Yeah, I have the color. She bought so many colors of it, but guys, I don't even know how to apply it. She's even angry with me. Yeah, I don't know. She's doing the lip lining. That is a lip lining, guys. To get that sexy look. Yeah, she's how do they call it? Yeah, she's panking her lips. She's feeling her hair. Yeah. Yeah, I can feel it. Woo! That is a sweet life of beauty. That is my girlie. I can feel her, guys. How do you feel? Our final look. So crazy. So attractive. Thank you for watching Life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to encourage my Dory. I love you guys.